The world thinks it knows where life began. But on this day, November 24, the question changed forever. Because today in world history, a single idea cracked open the mystery of life and forced humanity to see itself in a new light. In 1859, Charles Darwin released On the Origin of Species, a book that didn't simply challenge beliefs. It shattered them. It questioned creation. It questioned identity. And it questioned everything people thought they understood about their place on Earth. Darwin did not arrive at this discovery by accident. He walked through forests, climbed mountains, studied fossils older than every nation alive today. He watched animals not as stories, but as puzzles evolving, adapting, surviving. Slowly, he uncovered a truth hidden in plain sight. Life changes, species evolve, and nature selects who survives. What happened on this day was more than a publication. It was an awakening, a transformation of human thought. Why did it happen? Because Darwin spent 20 years refusing to accept easy answers. He chose to question what others ignored. He chose to chase patterns across continents. He chose to understand life through evidence, not fear. Who was affected? At first scientists, then churches, then governments, then schools, then families, and eventually the entire world. People argued, protested, debated, even feared what this discovery meant. Because if life evolved, then mankind was not separate from nature but part of it. The global impact exploded. Biology changed forever. Medicine changed forever. Genetics became possible. The understanding of disease, immunity, adaptation, survival, all of it connected back to Darwin's work. Today, we fight viruses. We study animals. We protect endangered species. We map DNA because one man dared to question the world. But what does this day teach us now? It teaches us that truth grows, evolves, and expands. That knowledge is not fixed, it is a living thing. It teaches us that progress begins where fear ends. It teaches us to challenge what feels comfortable and look deeper. There were positives: new science, new cures, new discoveries, new understanding of life. But there were negatives: anger, division, misinterpretations, and dangerous misuse of evolutionary theory by people with bad intentions. Yet even through conflict, the truth survived. Why does this date matter to human life? Because understanding where we come from helps us understand where we're going. Because in a world facing climate change, disappearing species, and ecological destruction, evolution reminds us that life is fragile and deeply connected. Because Darwin's courage reminds us that one idea, backed by evidence, can shake the world and still stand strong centuries later. So today, November 24, is not just about a book. It is about the moment humanity learned that life is a story still being written. In every breath, in every species, in every generation. November 24th reminds us that all life is connected. Every creature, every plant, every human, one long story shaped by time and survival. This is the day the world opened its eyes and began to understand the true language of nature. One day, one event, one lesson. Mr. Feedy,